Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting your iPhone and head unit ready. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the car or enable wireless CarPlay in the infotainment settings. This establishes the secure link. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS so features and permissions work correctly. Once connected, unlock the phone and allow CarPlay on the prompt. If the YouTube method requires an intermediate app or browser, install it now. This prepares the pathway so you can move straight to streaming. Once done with setup, open the CarPlay-compatible app or mirroring tool on your phone. You connect via the infotainment's app menu, choose the mirroring option, and confirm any pairing codes. This routes video and audio to the display. Make sure the app has permission to appear over other apps, and that audio output is set to CarPlay so sound comes through the car speakers. If the interface hides video controls, use your phone briefly to cue content. Then return to CarPlay to watch safely when parked. Finish by confirming safety. Only watch video when parked and use voice commands or a passenger when driving. If playback lags, make sure the cable is high quality, try a different USB port, and close other apps to free resources. This often fixes stutter. If CarPlay won't connect, reboot both the head unit and your phone, forget the car in Bluetooth settings, then repair. This clears cached pairing errors. One key troubleshooting tip. Always test with a short local video first to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.